Today, we're bridging the gap between Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. Converting your Google Sheets to Excel format is like unlocking compatibility across platforms. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make the switch seamlessly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document. If you're working with an existing sheet, great. If not, create a new one by clicking the colorful icon labeled blank or choose from a template. Step 2. Go to the File menu at the top. Choose Download and then select Microsoft Excel.xlsx. Step 3. Google Sheets will generate an Excel file, .xlsx, and prompt you to save it to your preferred location. Step 4. Once downloaded, open the Excel file using Microsoft Excel or any compatible software. Step 5. Check if all your data, formatting, and formulas transferred correctly. Make any necessary adjustments. Step 6. Remember that some advanced features in Google Sheets, such as scripts or specific add-ons, may not fully translate to Excel. Be prepared to troubleshoot if needed. Congratulations! You've successfully converted your Google Sheets to Excel. Now you can seamlessly collaborate across platforms. Happy spreadsheeting!